Today we are going to discuss class 9 biology ICSE term 1 question paper. The section A consists of 30 marks which we have to attempt the all questions. Question number 1. A bit. Name the following. It consists of 5 marks. Question 1. Cell organelle associated with intracellular digestion. The answer is lysosomes. Closely related to the Golgi apertures are lysosomes. Second question. Mode of arrangement of flowers on the axis of plant body. The answer is inflorescence. Let's move into the third question. The tissue which helps in increasing the diameter of stem. The answer is cork cambium and vascular cambium. Fourth question. The outer wall of a pollen grain. The answer is exine. Fifth question. Proteinaceous layer of endosperm in a maize grain. The answer is aileron layer. Let's move into the next bit, that is the B bit. State the main functions of the following. It consists of 5 marks. Question number 1. The nucleus. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell. Question number 2. Corolla. The main function of the corolla is to assist the reproductive process of the plant. Third question. Alkaline progallic acid. It can be used to calculate the amount of oxygen in air. Fourth question. Adipose tissue. The main function of adipose tissue is to store energy in the form of lipids, that is the fat. Fifth question. Micropyle. It helps in absorbing the water at time of germination of seed. Let's move on to the next bit, that is the filling the blanks, which consists of 5 marks. Question number 1. The germination in which cotyledons remain underground is dash. The answer is hypogeous germination. Second question. Pollination by bird is known as. The answer is orthinopoly. Third question. Thin semipermeable membrane that surrounds a cell is dash. The answer is cell membrane. The swollen, question 4. The swollen basal part of pistil is known as dash. The answer is ovary. Fifth question. Dash cells help in functioning of sieve tube cells. The answer is companion cells. Let's move on to the next bit, that is give one example each for the following, which consists of 5 marks. Question number 1. Hydrophily. The answer and the example for hydrophily is Valsarina spiralis. Number 2. Simple permanent tissue, parenchyma. Number 3. Prokaryotic cell. Example bacteria. Number 4. Monocot seed. Example wheat. Number 5. Bisexual flower. Example sunflower. Let's move on to the next bit, which consists of 5 marks, that is E bit. Correct the following statement by the changing the underlined word only. Question number 1. The site for respiration is ribosome. The answer is mitochondria. Question number 2. Complex tissue consists of actively dividing cells. The correct answer is meristematic tissue. Third one. The nucleus which gives rise to sperm nuclei is tube nucleus. The correct answer is generative nucleus. Nervous tissue is concerned with transport of material and providing immunity. The correct tissue is xylem tissue. Fifth one. The part of flower which develops into a seed is ovary. The correct answer is ovule. So let's move on to the next bit, that is F bit. Give the location of the following, which consists of 5 marks. Number 1. Cartilage. It is a flexible connective tissue found in many parts of body. It can bend a bit but resist stretching. Ovule. Second one. The ovule is located inside the portion of the flower called gynoecium. Third one. Centrosome. Centrosome is found with cytoplasm near the nucleus. Fourth one. Nectaries. Nectaries can be located on any part of a plant, but most nectaries are located in flowers. Coldrea. The clostridia is a layer of tissue that surrounds root in seed. So thereby we completed this section A. So we will discuss section B in next video.